Question number 40 on the writing and language portion of College Boards Test 5. While worrisome, the decline of traditional print media could not. Which choice most effectively suggests that the end of investigative journalism is a real possibility, but one that can be prevented? So we're talking about the future, and we're saying it's possible, but we can do things in order to make sure it doesn't decline into oblivion. While worrisome, the decline of traditional print media could not entail. Could not is like past tense, right? We could not, we just couldn't get the win last night. We could not accomplish this goal. We were unable to cram for the SAT. We could not cram and get a perfect score. This is not talking about the future. It's talking about something that's already occurred. What about B? While worrisome, the decline of traditional media need not entail. And you guys don't pick this because you don't know what that means. You've never heard that before. And this is a traditional idiom. When you say something need not occur, it means it doesn't have to occur, which is exactly what a real possibility is, but one that can be prevented. Something need not entail the end. It doesn't have to. That's like a way of saying it. Now, while worrisome, the decline of traditional media will not entail. Will not means that it's not a real possibility. So will not means definitively we know for a fact that the future is not going to, in the future it's not going to happen. It will not happen. It will not entail. That's too strong. We still have to entertain the possibility that we have a real possibility that this could decline. Will not gets rid of that option. What about must not? Again, must not just means like we must not allow, the Vikings to invade our homeland. It's almost like we need to make sure this doesn't happen. But it's a real possibility, one that can be prevented. Just saying that something must not happen doesn't mean that anything is preventable. And must not, in a way, also doesn't leave the door open to the fact that this could happen. We must not let the other team win. It's like, okay, but I feel like that almost doesn't leave a real possibility that the team could win, if that makes sense. The only reason why, this is a tough one too, the only reason why you don't pick B is because you're not comfortable with the way that it's used. Something need not occur, it means that it doesn't have to, which exactly fits our criteria of a real possibility but one that can be prevented. Whereas all the other ones are way too strong. They mean things that are, that don't allow for this wiggle room of real possibility that can happen, but something that doesn't have to happen. The answer number 40 is going to be B.